Assalamualaikum viewers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. These are super trending and most beautiful and top unique sewing fabric craft ideas for you guys. These are very stunning ideas and very pretty collection for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very amazing and very unique and very stunning. Sewing craft ideas for you guys. If you want to make these type of graphic, then you must watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about sewing graphic. Then you see these type of things at your home very easily. So viewers, keep supporting my channel and always keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and top trending and very beautiful sewing fabric craft ideas for you guys. You also watch different tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of sewing craft ideas. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are top trending and top unique ideas for you guys, and you must enjoy these type of ideas at home. Follow for more details, and you must try these ideas at home, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. Always take care of yourself, always be happy, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. And if you want different kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, always remember me in your prayers. These are super amazing and super unique and super classy sewing art.